Welcome to the heart of the digital age. Today, I'll show you how we pack billions of transistors and miles of circuitry.
The surface mount technology line is where the magic happens. High-speed placement heads apply microscopic components to the motherboard at incredible speeds. Strength meets elegance. We carve each frame to a tolerance of 0.01 millimeters for a perfect fit.
Optical alignment is key. We calibrate the sensors to ensure every shot you take is crystal clear.
From raw silicon to your pocket, built with precision, tested for the world. That's how we manufacture the future. Stay connected.